This is a OnePlus 3. It's a budget phone from 2016 that packed high-end specs at a reasonable price of $399. Almost 4 years after its debut, let's look at how it's aging and OnePlus's reliability. In this video, I'll be covering these topics of the phone: battery health, speed, software updates, and stick around till the end when I give it its reliability score. As I begin to go over battery health and degradation, I'll just note that the battery has never been swapped out, and this is the same battery that came on the phone when I got it. For the past year, I've used an app called AccuBattery to measure the health status since Android doesn't have any native battery health data built in. My battery health is now down to 83% of usable capacity. That means that 17% of my battery is degraded and now lost for the life of that battery. For a phone 4 years old, that isn't a terrible capacity to be at. That's where most iPhones fall into place at that age. Battery health can also affect the speed of a device. As the battery health lowers, the speed also decreases along with it. Over time, the speed has not seen a very significant drop, but playing newer games can slow down the phone almost instantly, making it unusable sometimes. If you use this for day-to-day tasks, then you shouldn't have any issues. Software is where things don't look too great. I've gotten 3 consistent years of software updates, which is great until you realize that your phone isn't updating anymore, and you're out of luck if you want the latest update. After I stopped getting those updates, I've also noticed more frequent crashes with apps. RAM management has also gotten worse, and this is now showing that the phone is nearing the end of its lifespan, and it needs a replacement. After 4 years, this phone and the company itself has changed a lot. The newer models are more expensive than ever and are approaching iPhone prices. However, I would still recommend buying a OnePlus smartphone if you don't mind paying money for a new phone every few years. For my reliability score, I'd give the OnePlus 3 a 7 out of 10 for its affordable price and its better than average internal durability. If I could give OnePlus some recommendations, I'd want them to keep offering updates to users past 3 years, and it would be great if there were physical locations to bring in a OnePlus device for quick repairs, like battery and screen replacements. As for the OnePlus 3 I'm using, it's just about time for a new one. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to more tech videos every week. I'll see you next time on Tech Device News.